Hello everybody, how you guys doing? So one of the interesting things that I've learned over the last couple of actually several months building applications, and especially applications that are designed around businesses, is looking at what architecture can you use to build an application that will scale, meaning you're building something that you can adapt and grow over a period of time. And I came across this very interesting concept. Well, not came across, but I actually realized it's a very interesting concept that spans multiple applications, and I thought I'd share it with you. And so let's switch over real quick to this view. Move me away, and let's just move that in a little corner right over there. And it's as simple as this. It's your entities, your views, records, and workflows. So if you think about tables would be the table database that you would store all your records in, and essentially you have all your columns and rows similar to Excel, but on crack. And once you have a place where you can store this information, the next thing is creating different views of this information. So whether it's a list of employees, it's a list of sales records, it's a list of leads, whatever it is, you have lists or entities, and you have different views. And the views, essentially you can filter out information on that, and then your records, the actual information, would then be the records. And that's as simple as that. And the last piece is creating a workflow out of how those records are stored. So it's as simple as that. If you literally think about any business problem, it's a workflow problem. Let's use an example, and I've actually built an app like this. Let's say we're building an app to store employee information. We're hiring engineers, we're hiring salespeople, and we need somewhere where HR can store all this information. And it's as simple as I create a table called employee. I create a view, and this view could be either a view for HR, it could be a view for the finance team, it could be a view of employees of a certain category. So how many of them are engineers versus another category. This could be a view of whatever it is, right? So you can filter down this records of employees, and you can store everything from their names, ID numbers, phone numbers. You can store their CVs. You can store whatever fields you want to put in there, and then store the actual records, and simply create a workflow for whoever is putting in this information to follow. So for an employee record to be complete, you need your name, number, location, address, email, personal email, CV, tax information, whatever it is. You put it through a workflow that goes through different stages, and once this record is complete, then you can action something else. So once you figure out all these the other things are just simple automations for triggers and emails whenever you need to do something, and you finish off with a dashboard. It is as simple as that. And if you look at all these grand applications out there that most people use, like CRMs, they're fundamentally based on that simple concept. And I learned this building apps for Dynamics and for the Power Platform and for an interesting tool called Tables on Google Workspace. So it really doesn't matter what platform you have. Using this structure, you can build a scalable business application and adapt it to whatever. Now, if you're interested in how this can be done by specific platforms, so a good example is the Power Platform or Dynamics, head over to my YouTube channel. There's a couple of videos that I've done breaking down each and every one of these sections, and let me know what you guys think, and I hope really this helps. Awesome. Thanks, guys. See you on the next one.